This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by verifying the essentials: your Android model, OS version, and free storage so the process can run without interruptions. First, open Google Photos and check trash. Many items live there up to 30 to 60 days. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the phone can communicate with recovery tools. Make sure you have a PC ready with ADB installed or a trusted recovery program downloaded. This avoids delays when you start deep scans. Now you run the recovery itself. If trash was empty, launch a reputable recovery app or use ADB commands to pull any remaining thumbnail databases. These often contain preview images you can rebuild. Start a full internal storage scan, targeting common image extensions like JPG, PNG, and hike to reduce noise. Once the scan finds candidates, preview and export recovered files to a safe folder on your PC. Make sure to stop the phone from writing more data to avoid overwriting recoverable files. To finish, copy verified recovered photos back to the phone or keep them on your PC for backup. Check each file for completeness. If results are partial, run an alternate recovery tool or rescan with different settings, and always check cloud backups and any SD cards separately. If tools report permission issues, re-enable USB debugging and grant necessary authorizations. One key troubleshooting tip: do not perform a factory reset or continue normal use of the device, because that can permanently overwrite the data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.